gate open still down here. Safety first, right, boys? Let's try that again, as loud as you can. 5, 4, let me hear ya. 2, let's get it off. Head to man to watch when I hear a multi-time demolition car. As they gotta make that hit. Every night he's touching that door back there from the end. It's all hands up with the space here to work it out down here. Nobody's St. Dennis. And then a hard shot from Jim trying to cripple the car from Plazzed-Lyrics. Kevin Marion here circling around now. Be careful now. Number 13 out by there. Number 3 has 3 cars left. Beautiful car. Look at the straight. It's got out here to the right. Around the corner now. Beautiful little turn right there. Oh, that was some nice work from number 88. Needs to back into the hill. Backside. The old Janet backside. He doesn't hit it. Yeah, the light up here. Oh, look at that. In the back, and they say sandbagging is a crime, and you gotta love a guy who wouldn't pull back there. Landon Page, what on heat to start things off. We're working out here. Only 2 will go on, unless you got a fan favorite here so far. Louder! he's got no transmission at all. Unable to make the hit. Flag is down, and oh, there's nothing at the kingdom to give you a smoke show right there in front of the grandstand. Ladies and gentlemen, the two remaining cars with flags up. The 01 machine belonging to Luke Kyle. And the number 2 machine belonging to a guy who's been smiling since he got out here. Cale McMillan. Ladies and gentlemen, these are your two winners who will go on to join number 88 and number 66 in our final. But of course, we got to find out who our fan favorite is. What you got from right over there, number 61, Dustin Kennedy. How about here right in the middle, the defending champion, 10-4, Dakota Lane. How about right down here in front of us, none other than... I see, will you help me out with that? I can't hear you, will you help me out with that? Here we go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's crash and pass! Right in the corner here, we're looking at June with his shot car background. But in that shot, the gaze of all of the front wheel. The East Coast Coast is flying high, right there in the corner. Tyler Harkness shows up the fact that he's looking here at the actual results of practice back Julia. Harkness right there in the middle of the number 70 machine with a full set of front track. It's the best of the Demolition Derby drivers. We got a busted axle and lost the wheel. It's all over for Tyler Harkness. Flag is up here. Horns are up. All stop. All stop! All stop! All stop! I didn't realize I had that kind of power, boys. We're going to have a good time over there at the after party, let me tell you. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's kind of quiet here for the moment, so let these drivers hear you make some noise! Man, I'm telling you, McMillan was flying up in the air there right in the corner. I thought he was going to be doing a nose wheelie right there as the East Coast goes. Got dashed around pretty good. You got to like Harkness, having hit so hard that he took out his own back axle and he's hung up there. We got these cars ready to go here right now. Are you ready to go? Let's count it down from 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! McMillan trying to get out of the way of Saskatoon, and it's complete into the block. Oh, what a shot right there from Sanderson, the number 28 car. He's running around here like the car's a weapon, but he takes as good as he gives. Right there for Brandon Saskatoon, and the two of them pinned over here on the 2,000-pound block. Flags are up, flags are up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You know they can hear you, I have to say it again. Oh, you guys can do better than that. This is the greatest demolition derby in Canada. I wouldn't miss it for the world. This is Saskatoon. This is the crash and dash. Love this, they got him pinned over here. You gotta love what Sanderson did, coming clear across the arena, pinning the East Coast Coast right there on the blocks, coming back this way, and Saskatoon, who didn't even have a chance to get sponsors, wanted to be here, and you can see why. You can get traction galore here on the asphalt, and the asphalt is salt. We're looking here ready, are we ready to go? I think we only got the 2 left. Gotta love this guy right here, Darren Hutchins Jr. This is a tough Demolition Derby driver. Builds one of the best car builds on the planet in terms of being able to somehow, over and over again, be able to come here, withstand what you're seeing out here in the destruction and carnage, and win twice at the crash and bash. His dad told me that by the time he was 30 years old, he had won Demolition Derby 13 different times. Darren Pletcher's one of the guys that you want to see out here in a final for sure. And he's sitting there just relaxing right at the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, because these guys have put on the kind of show for you here, from a fan favorite point of view, how could you ask for anything more? These 3 cars will go to the final. See sequences like a Cinderella story coming in here out of nowhere. We got the number 77 machine to go there as well. Of course, that's a 2-time champion. And the East Coast Ghost to make his way into the final. Ladies and gentlemen, it is ready. It is set. The Crash and Bash final is coming up in just a couple of moments. And to take us there, who better to do it than Dixie Highway? Let me hear the noise! It's time to crown a champion at Crash and Bash. Are you ready? And here we go from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wave that flag. Let's go. In the East Coast Ghost machine, that he blows apart 2 2,000-pound blocks. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Jim McMillan. That has to be the hardest hit of the night. Not on a car. What impact that was. You gotta love a guy who talk about building the cars. Look at how that car is held together from an impact like that. I don't know about you, my store-bought machine would be in pieces. I'd be taking it home in my pockets. You know what I'm saying? We got cars still ready to go right here. So you gotta put those blocks back into place. You know, I gotta point out all the folks here for Performance Promotions and Neil Snyder's crew here, along with his brother Ron, everybody who is on the backside here, making sure that things are as safe as they can be in Demolition Derby. We've got them all sitting into place here now. We've got to just put that block back into place. Part of the deal here with this asphalt is to make sure that it's watered down, and these guys working those forklifts, being able to put those blocks, and that's all people here from the Saskatoon X, and we couldn't have done it without all their help, all of our volunteers. Everybody touching the blocks, getting them all back into place. Looking here now to see that it's all okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Then five, here we go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Miss Gillen, line in the lead of Winston. Number 77. The two-time champion. Right there in the middle. Plazzed-Lyrics Jr. ended up popping right out of the blocks right here. But there's still viable cars to go. Except maybe, of course, 82 back over there took a hit on snap from McMillan. You all right over there, bud? Yeah, he said yeah. Looking here now, you know, in a guy like this, Patrice will do this. This is a guy who understands how to play this game. He will take the time here, just like a stoppage in a boxing fight or an MMA fight. He'll take that time to regroup, but also to leave the other drivers stressing inside those machines. This is a very smart move from Plazzed-Lyrics Jr., the 77 machine here, taking his time to be sure that he's A-okay. But again, making sure everybody else has to sit and wait. Well, he needs to ensure that all the safety boxes are checked off. Smart move from him. This is a guy, watch him move inside of there. He'll have that belt loose. It'll be like having his hand on a swivel, moving it back and forth inside of there, rolling loose inside of the machine, being able to absorb the hit and see them coming. Crash is back now. Final, ready to go. Looking here to see if we can get started. The clock is back into play. Looking here now, let's pin it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! McMillan circles back around here now. 3 cars moving around. Wins Plazzed-Lyrics Jr. into the blocks again. From McMillan, as he pushes Sanderson towards the stage. The number 66 machine, Kevin Marius, big man right there.